Hello, my name is Hoyon Sarkar and I am from Khulna, Bangladesh. Now I am studying computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. I have completed my SSC from Sannistak LC Collegiate School with GPA of 4.83 and SSC from Government Bangabandhu College, Khulna with a GPA of 4.92. Alongside my studies, I work as a freelancer specializing in B2B lead generation, data entry, web research, and email list building. And I also experience in WordPress web development, creating modern user-friendly website in future. One special things about my universities is the one student one laptop program. This helps students like me stay connected, learn practically, and improving technical skill. I am passionate about technology and continuous learning. I grow as a full stack web development, web design. I am passionate about technology and continuous learning. My goal is grow as a full stack web developer and improve my skills in web design, data analysis, and modern frameworks. I am also focused on improving my English communication in better client interaction. In my free time, I enjoy watching movies, playing games, and exploring new skills. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to new opportunities where I can contribute and grow.